Scene script, can we really control the weather? And more importantly, should we from an economic standpoint? These are the questions that arise when we delve into the intriguing concept of weather modification. The journey of weather modification is a fascinating one. The concept originated in the 1940s with a technique known as cloud seeding. This method, which involves inducing rain or snow, was seen as a promising solution to address water scarcity and mitigate economic losses caused by drought. Over the decades, this technique has been adopted globally, demonstrating mankind's insatiable desire to control the elements. China, for instance, stands at the forefront of this technology, boasting the world's largest cloud seeding system. The country invests heavily in weather modification in a bid to combat persistent water shortages, a testament to the perceived economic benefits of this technology. However, the practice raises more than just a few eyebrows. Critics question the environmental impact of weather modification, and more ominously, the potential for its weaponization. Imagine, if you will, the geopolitical implications of controlling the weather. The ability to induce drought or flood in another country could become a powerful tool, not just for economic prosperity, but also for exerting political influence. Despite these concerns, the effectiveness of cloud seeding remains a hotly debated topic among scientists. Some argue that the results are too inconsistent and the cost too high for it to be a viable solution to water scarcity or agricultural challenges. Others, however, point to successful case studies as evidence of its potential. When we talk about weather modification, it's not just about changing the weather. It's about understanding the economic implications of such a change. These include the potential for increased agricultural productivity, the reduction of drought-related economic losses, and the mitigation of water supply shortages. But these benefits must be weighed against the costs, both financial and environmental. In conclusion, the economics of weather modification is a complex issue. It's about balancing the potential benefits with the costs and understanding that while we may have the power to alter the weather, doing so comes with significant responsibilities and challenges. As we continue to explore this fascinating field, we must remember that the weather, much like the economy, is a delicate system that requires careful management. In the world of weather modification, the forecast is still uncertain, and only time will tell if the economic clouds have a silver lining.